In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Notion MCP server errors. Start by opening Notion in your browser. I'm assuming you're already signed in, so once Notion loads, make sure you have at least one page or database available that you can use for testing. In this example, we'll use a page called MCP test page. If you don't already have something similar, create a simple page now so you have a clear item to search for later. Once that's ready, we can move straight into the fix. The first thing we're going to do is remove and re-add the Notion connector inside Claude Desktop. This clears out a bad connection and replaces it with a fresh one. Open Claude Desktop. When the app is in front of you, look down to the bottom left corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, click Settings. Inside Settings, go to the left sidebar and click Connectors. Give it a second to load the full list. Now find Notion in the Connectors list. Once you see it, click the three-dot menu beside Notion. In the drop-down, click Remove. If Claude asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the removal. At this point, the old connector is gone, which is exactly what we want. Now we'll add it back the right way. Stay on the connector screen and click Browse Connectors. In the search bar, type Notion slowly so it's clear on screen, Notion. When Notion appears in the results, click it to open the preview. On the Notion preview page, click Connect. A new browser tab should open. In that tab, you'll be asked to choose the workspace you want Claude to access. Select the correct workspace carefully, then click Confirm. If your system shows a prompt asking whether you want to open the URL in Claude, approve that prompt so the connection can finish inside the desktop app. Go back to Claude Desktop and check the connectors list again. You should now see Notion back in the list, and the status should say Connected. That tells you the connector itself has been restored successfully. Next, let's test the connection so you know whether the error is actually fixed. Close Settings and return to the main Claude chat window. Start a new conversation so you're working from a clean chat. In the message box, type the search request exactly and give yourself enough time to enter it cleanly. Type Search My Notion Workspace for MCP test page. As you type, keep the page title exactly the way it appears in Notion so the result is easy to verify. When the full message is in the chat box, press Enter. Claude should now use the Notion MCP tools to search your workspace. Watch the response carefully. If it returns the page, and you can see MCP test page in the results, that means the connector is working again and the main issue is resolved. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If the error still shows up, or Claude still can't access Notion correctly, there's one more cleanup step that usually fixes stale authorization problems. This time we'll disconnect the Notion integration from the Notion side, then reconnect it fresh. Go back to Notion in your browser. In the left sidebar near the bottom, click Settings. Once the Settings panel opens, look to the left side again and click Connections. Let that section load fully because this is where Notion lists all connected integrations tied to your workspace. Find Notion MCP in the list of connected integrations. When you see it, click the three-dot menu next to it. From that menu, click Disconnect. If Notion asks you to confirm, approve the disconnection. This step is important because it revokes the MCP server's access to your workspace and clears old or corrupted authentication tokens that may still be hanging around behind the scenes. After disconnecting it in Notion, go back to Claude Desktop and repeat the connector setup process one more time. Open Settings, go to Connectors, click Browse Connectors, and search for Notion again. Type it clearly, Notion. Select the Notion connector from the results. Click Connect, then return to the browser tab that opens. Choose your workspace again carefully, then click Confirm. If you get the prompt to open the link in Claude, allow it. Then jump back into Claude Desktop and verify that Notion appears in the connectors list with the status set to Connected. Now run the same test one more time from a new chat. In the message box, type Search My Notion Workspace for MCP test page. Enter the full page name carefully so there's no mismatch. Then press Enter and wait for Claude to search. If the page appears in a response, the Notion MCP server connection is fixed and working normally again. At that point, you're done. You've refreshed the Claude connector, reset the Notion side integration if needed, and confirmed the connection with a real workspace search. That's the full fix for Notion MCP server errors using the current 2026 setup.